Hey Travis kiddos, let's go over our letters and letter sounds. So I'm going to hold up the cards with the letter sounds on them, and you are going to say either the letter name or the letter sound. So if you need to review your letter names, go ahead and do that. If you need to review letter sounds, here's a time to do that as well. So choose what you need. You can go back and review and do the other one as well, okay? So here we go. Ah, j, f, d, n, b, t, w, z, v, r, m, g, e, k, a, I, k, y, qu, l, x, s. So you can either go back and review the sounds again, you can say the letters, and try to see if you can do it faster than I can. We want to build up the fluency with these letter sounds to help us to read. We'll build into more complicated sounds and more sounds that some of these letters make later on, but this is a great place to start. Great job.